Good morning, my friend. Today we will share knowledge about the ETP, Effluent Treatment Plant, process flow diagram. There is two, chemical and biological. Chemical, they have coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Biological, the pre-treatment, erection, biological reactor, clarification, and disinfection. This have two diagram is more detailed explanation is on the left hand side is chemical ATP and the right hand side is biological ATP. The first step is the collection and remove the large solid breeze, and the screen is balance the large solid breeze. Number two is equalization on the chemical and the biological also the equalization, but the process equalization for the chemical is balancing the flow and the pollutant, and equalization is naturalization before biological type. Chemical type, oil and grease removal, gravity separation, and skin mat. pH adjustment, coagulant, flocculant, oxidant precipitation, and biological treatment. No application for the chemical, and disinfection is chlorine, UV, or ozone. The last one is slug handling, chemical slug dewatering. Then we continue to the biological ATP. Then we just go the biological treatment is not required, but for the chemical ATP is requirement. Then the next biological is sedimentation is settle and biological slug. Filtration, send the multimedia filter or secondary clarifier. Disinfection, chlorine, UV, and ozone. And final discharge, treatment water, disclosed to use. So some is the process is almost similar, but they have some different. So if we comparison table summarize between chemical and biological ATP, so this column is the chemical ATP, this one is biological. So the collection, the difference is wastewater collection from the industrial source. Then for the biological is wastewater collects from domestic or industrial source. The screening, remove large solid and debris, and remove the large solid and grit. For the equalization, for the chemical is the balance flow, pollutant, and concentration, and the biological is balance the flow and pollutant concentration. Oil grease removal, for the chemical is gravity separation of the skin meat. Biological option depending on the effluent type. pH adjustment, the chemical type ATP is natural using the acid or base. The biological is natural before biological treatment. For the chemical addition, for the chemical is coagulant, flocculant, oxidant, and precipitation, but for the biological is not required. This is the chemical additional is very big difference between chemical ATP and biological ATP. Biological treatment, for the chemical is no application, and for the biological is aeration tank with the membranes, active steroid and MBR. Sedimentation, settle chemical flow, setting biological slug. For the filtration, for the chemical is sent to the multimedia filter. For the biological, people call as membrane filter in the and secondary clarifier. For the disinfection, chemical is chlorine, UV, and ozone. For the biological, there is chlorine, UV, and ozone. This one same. For the disinfection is same. Process between chemical and ATP and biological ATP. For the slug handling, for the chemical, slug dewatering and disposal, and for the biological, slug recycling and disposal. Final discharge, treatment water release or reuse, treatment water release or reuse. These are also same. Top 5 most important. Equalization tank. The function is the flow effluent concentration for incoming water to prevent the shock lock downstream process to ensure consistent treatment influence. Used in the both chemical and biological ETP. Number 2, oil and grease remove unit. Function, separation processing oil and grease using the gravity and mechanical skin mat. Prevent clogging, interference with the chemical reaction and biological activity. Used in chemical ETP, especially in industrial like the food process and petrochemical. 3, pH adjustment system. Function, nitrous acid, alkaline dewatering using chemical like lean, sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide. Ensure optimum pH for chemical reactor and protect biological microbe. Use chemical ATP and sometimes biological ATP before biological treatment. 4. Biological treatment reactor. Function using aerobatic or aerobatic micro to degrade organic pollutant, remove biological contamination efficiently and cost effectively. Use biological ATP, example active slug MBR system. Disinfection unit. Function, eliminated pathogen using chlorine, UV light, and ozone. Ensure treatment water safe and discharge and reuse. Used in both chemical and biological ATP. Key step. Chemical ATP, collection, remove slug solid and debris, equalization, balance flow and pollutant concentration, oil and grease remove, gravity separate and skin mat, pH adjustment, use chemical like coagulant, fluxion, oxidant and precipitation, biological treatment not required, disinfection using chlorine, UV and ozone, slug handling, dewatering and chemical use. Biological ETP key step, screening, remove slug solid and debris, equalization include neutralization before biological treatment, biological treatment, microbial declaration and required, sedimentation certain of biology slug, filtration, send multimedia filter as secondary clarifier, disinfection using UV or ozone, final discharge, treatment water is released and reused. Chemical using dosing parameter, typical pressure 2.6 bar, temperature 10 until 35 degrees C, design 5 until 50 ppm depending on the contamination, chemical along chromium and ferritic acid. This also basically will refer to the manufacturing specification. Biological treatment parameter, typical ensure the atmosphere, temperature 15 until 30 degrees C, returning time until 6 until 24 hours. So this is very different. And microorganism is aerobatic and anaerobatic. Operational parameter, chemical required precision dosing and monitoring, biological sensitive to the temperature, pH and agronic load. Chemical versus biological ETP comparison. The advantage, chemical ETP fast treatment, effective for the toxic, non-biodegradable and pollutant. Biological ETP eco-friendly, cost-effective for the organic waste large slug generation. Disadvantage, chemical ETP, high chemical cost, hazardous slug, required skill and handling. Biological ETP, sensitive to pH and temperature, slower process, not suitable for the toxic waste. Common use, chemical ETP used for the textile, permaculture, petrochemical, heavy metal industrial, biological, used for the municipal sewage, food and beverage, agro-industrial and paper mill. Treatment type, for the chemical ATP reaction, coagulation, precipitation, oxidation, biological, microbial integration, aerobic and anaerobic. Slug type, chemical slug, hazardous, biological slug, organic, easy to handling. So depend on the requirement, but if you go to the cost, so biological is more cheaper because you don't need to buy the chemical. But if you want to the faster process, so chemical ATP is the choice because you need to use chemical to fast process. But depend on the requirement and basic design calculation during the engineering. Conclusion, both methods are essential. Selection depends on the water quality, contamination, and treatment goal. That's all. Sharing knowledge by this morning. See you.